The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a plotagon warning for 2016. The National Weather Service has issued a plotagon thunderstorm mountain of plotagon. Shut off on your TV now. Before I start the video, subscribe. Have a great day, everybody.
This covers up the mothball smell.
Lincoln, save me from strawberry perfume and pleather.
So, what are your grandparents like?
Well, Grandpa's great, but cheap.
I stocked the fridge with those ice pops you like. You can pay me back later.
And Grandma just wants me to eat.
You know what really